Hi guys, welcome to Fireworks Productions Plus. Today I am on a chair. I will spin. Wah! It is I, Firecracker. Today, I don't know what we're doing. Oh! Get out of here! Get out of here! Sorry! Anyway, it is I, Firecracker from Fireworks Productions. I'll hand it off to another Boo. So I'll see you soon.
Oh, right, it is the one you've all been waiting for. Me, George.
Ew, Boo, George, he's so mean. You shouldn't like him at all. Like, he's so mean. Okay, get out of here. Ah! Anyway, I'm just gonna give it to Tasha. Sorry. Hi. Woo! Ugh. Yeet. Hi. Hi. Oh, yeah. Oh. Is it okay to come out now? Is George still here? He's gone, Tasha. I'm scared.
Go down there.
All right, I'm gonna spin her around. Hey! All right, thanks for watching Fireworks Productions Plus. Bye.